Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your 21st lecture of English grammar. And our today's topic is textbook exercise of lesson number 7 and 16. So now we are going to start our textbook exercise. Open lesson number 7, page number 41. Put the date of today, write CW on it. This is the learning exercise. The heading of the question is write these phrases using apostrophe S. We have given some sentences and we have to write them with apostrophe S in possession form. Book that belongs to Sonu. Here two nouns are there, book and Sonu. As we learned previous that non-living things doesn't have any ownership. So Sonu is a owner of the book. So what will be the answer? Sonu's book. Next is car that father drives. Here also two nouns are here, car and father. One is non-living thing. And as we know that non-living thing does not have any ownership. So what will be the answer? Father's car. Bottle for baby. Same rule apply here. Yes, baby's bottle. Bed on which my sister sleeps. Yes. What will be the answer? Guess it. Yes, my sister's bed. Dress that Minu is wearing. Now you have an idea how to arrange this word with apostrophe S, how to write them in a possession form. So let's guess it. What will be the answer? Yes, Minu's dress. Pet that my grandmother has. What will be the first noun in the answer? Yes, my grandmother's pet. Plate in which Zil eats. Yes, correct. Zil's plate. Shirt which Abdul is wearing. So, here what will be the answer? Abdul's shirt. I hope you have done this exercise with me. Next sentence. Recipe I learnt from my mother. So the answer will be my mother's recipe. One easy trick of this sentence is whatever the last noun is, we have to write that noun in first position in the answer. For example, let's look at the next number, rays coming from the sun. What will be the last noun? Sun. So the sun will be the first noun in the answer. The sun's rays. Understand? Phone that my father owns. Again, same, my father's phone. Spectacles that my teacher wears. What is the meaning of spectacles? Yes, specs. We use specs, short form of spectacles. Yes. So what will be the answer? My teacher's spectacles. Next exercise, filling the blanks using apostrophe S. Here we have given first sentence, and according to the first sentence we have to put apostrophe S after the suitable noun. The boy has a pen. This is the dash pen. Whose pen is this? Yes, boys. So what will be the answer? Boys. Raja has a sister, Rani. Rani is dash sister. Rani is whose sister? Raja's. So what will be the answer? Raja's. My friend lives in this house. This is my dash house. You can ask the noun whose with whose and you can get the answer. Whose house is this? My friend's. So my is written. So what will be the answer? Friends. Mary has a dog. Whose dog is this? Mary's. Remember one thing, whenever the proper noun in between in the sentence, you have to write the first letter in the capital letter. First letter of the proper noun will be capital wherever we going to write them. Next is the dog has sharp teeth. Whose teeth are sharp? Yes, dogs. Tanu has long hair. Whose hair is long? Tanu's. Kavita and Savita are friends. Kavita is dash friend. Whose friend is Kavita? Kavita is Savita's friend. I hope you do this exercise with me in this video. Let's see another sentences of this exercise. Turn your page number 42. Put the date again. Write CW again. 8 number. My grandmother makes excellent cakes. I love my dash cakes. Whose cakes? Grandmother's. The bird laid 2 eggs. These are the whose legs? Birds. My aunt works in a big office. This is my dash office. Whose office is this? Aunt's. My father has a laptop. This is my dash laptop. Whose laptop is this? Father's. She teaches my brother. She is my dash teacher. Whose teacher is she? Brothers. My brothers. Next exercise B is for your homework. So write HW on it. The heading is look at the people below their belongings. There is a picture and then after you have to give the answer of the questions as per the picture. Okay, that's why I have given this exercise in your homework. Next exercise, page number 43. Put the date, write CW. It is learning exercise, filling the blanks by using either apostrophe s or apostrophe. In this exercise, only remember one thing, that if there are many nouns, then we add only apostrophe, and if there are one noun, we use apostrophe s. In case of some other plurals which do not end with s, there we also use apostrophe s to show their belongings. Understand? Let's start the exercise. The dash kite flew high. We have given here helping box, bracket. How many persons are there? As per the bracket, we have to fill up the answer in the blank. One boy. So here is only one boy. Then what will be the answer? Correct. Boys. Right. The dash motorbikes were being washed. Here motorbikes in a plural form, and were, W-E-R-E, were, shows us that the noun is in a plural form. And look at the bracket, many bikers. It is also mentioned the nouns are in a plural form. So what will be the answer? Bikers, but we use only apostrophe with it. Bikers. Dash doll is very pretty. Look at the bracket first of all. Only Sunita name in the bracket, right? Only Sunita means a singular noun. So, and is show us that it is in a singular form. So, what will be the answer? Sunitas. Correct. I hope now you understand how to write the answer in these blanks. Dash teeth are sharp and dangerous. What will be the bracket? Many shark. Not only one shark. Here we are talking about many shark. So if we want to write the plural form of shark, it becomes sharks, right? And then what can we do to show their possession? Yes, put only apostrophe. The dash toy makes a squeaking sound. How many child is here in the bracket? One child is mentioned in the bracket. So, child's toy. Understand? Now open the next page. Page number 44. Let's continue the exercise. 6th number. My dash room has a television. Parents. Look here and just understand that parents means we are talking about both, means mother and father both. If here given parent, then we have to understand that only parent means either mother or father. But here written parents, given the plural form. So what will be the answer? Parents, and then after apostrophe. Dash ears are large like flaps. Many elephants. Then what will be the answer? Apostrophe s or apostrophe Yes, only apostrophe means elephant and then apostrophe. Whenever you write the answer, you have to see that if the blank is in a first beginning of the sentence, the whatever the answer will be there, it will be starting from the capital letter with the capital letter. Yes, these are the dash guitars. So many musicians. What will be the answer? Musicians and then yes, only apostrophe. The dash books were popular. Only one author is there. So author and then apostrophe or apostrophe s? Yes, apostrophe s. Authors. This is my dash house. How many uncles in the bracket? 1. So what will be the answer? We can write uncle with apostrophe or apostrophe s? Yes, apostrophe s because it is a singular form. The dash tails have strips on them. Many lizards. Then what will be the answer? Yes, lizards with apostrophe. And then dash edges are sharp. Many knives. Given already the plural form of knife. So what will we do? Yes, only apostrophe. We put only apostrophe after knives. Yes, this is the exercise. Next exercise is a practice exercise. Choose the correct option. We have to choose the correct option. Which one is the correct form with the sentence? Roses, roses, roses. All the pronunciations are same, but which spelling is suitable for the rest sentence? Smells sweet. Only one rose has a sweet smell? No, all the roses. So what will be the answer? Roses. So we have to tick roses. Understand? This is Karun's umbrella. How many persons are Karun? 1. So what will be there? S after apostrophe or Karun after apostrophe S? Karun after apostrophe S. Karuns. Yes. The dash have sweet voice. Now girls, girls, girls. Here we are going to talk about all the girls. So what will be the right answer? Girls. Because here the third one option is the wrong. If here given only apostrophe, then it will be the right answer. Otherwise, the girls is the correct answer. She studies in a dash school. Girls school. Not the school is not for only one girl. So girls. So answer will be yes, apostrophe. That is Aladdin's lamp. Aladdin is only one person. So what will be the answer? Aladdin and then apostrophe S. I am holding my dash purse. Which one is the right option? First, second or third? Yes. Mothers is not in a plural form. Mother, one mother and then apostrophe S. That show the belonging of the purse. Mothers. Next, this dash cover is torn. This shows us whatever the next noun is, it is in a singular form. So what will be the right answer? Yes, first option is the correct option, books. The dash leg is broken. Only one leg is broken. So yes, of course, it is also the singular form, chairs. That is my dash car. That and is shows us that the next noun will be in a singular form. So what will be the answer? Yes, father and then apostrophe s, fathers. We have a dash holiday. Weeks, not many weeks, only 1 week. Then what will be the answer? Weeks holiday. My house is at a stone's throw distance from the market. Singular. Ruskin Bond writes dash books. Children's. So what will be the correct option? Here children in a plural form, but it does not end with s. Then what can we do? Yes, we put apostrophe and s both to it. And then the next exercise is also for your homework. So write down that exercise B of page number 42 and exercise B of page number 44 is for your homework. Now let's move on. Open the page textbook exercise of lesson number 16. Open the lesson number 16. Now we are going to start the textbook exercise of lesson number 16. In this lesson, first exercise is learning exercise. It is a match the following with the contraction form. Means full form and contraction form are given in the different parts and you have to match them. So it is for your homework. It is learning exercise, page number 95. And then circle the short form of the words in this sentence. Write the two separate words that have been contracted. Means exercise A. It is also for your homework. In this exercise, you have to underline the contraction form and with which two words this contraction is formed. You have to write it in a separate. After the sentence, you can write both the words which has been contracted. Okay. So it is also for your homework. It doesn't. This exercise you have to do only the textbook. You have a space. You have to do only the circle and write the two separate words. For these two words you have a sufficient space. So do this exercise in your textbook. Next exercise is filling the blanks using short form from the box. Yellow box is our helping box and let's fill the blanks with our helping box, which is the suitable contraction is there. First is Ravi dash like vegetables. I know You all don't like to eat vegetables, right? But Ravi is only one person, so we write here doesn't. Then dash repeat what I say. If teacher is in the class and teacher said to you something to do or something asking to you, and if you are repeating the same words, then what will be the teacher say? Yes, don't repeat what I say. Got it? Dash my birthday today. Then if today is your birthday, then what are you saying? Yes, it's my birthday, right? Yes. Next, we dash speak French. So what will be the answer? We can't speak French. I dash see the man. I didn't see the man. Next is dash he Indian. If you asking, then what will be coming with he? Is. Isn't he Indian? Understand? I dash play today. So if you have lots of homework and your friend is asking you to play, then what will you say? I will not play today. So will not is there. So what will be the contraction of will not? Yes, won't. I won't play today. Dash leave in 5 minutes. 8 number is on the 97. Now open the next page, 97. 8 number. Yes. Dash leave in 5 minutes. They will leave in 5 minutes. What will be the short form? Contraction form of they will? They'll. They apostrophe and double L. Yes. Dash requested to take the sit by 5 p.m. Means if you are invited for any show or any program, then the main invitee tell you are requested to take the sit by 5 p.m. means you are. What will be the short form? You're. Yes. Now dash forget the quarrel and be friends again. Yes. Then if you want to let it go something, let it forget something, let's play together, let's forget the quarrel, let us see the exercise, let us see what will be the next lesson, let us see what will be the next topic. Let us. And what will be the short form of let us? Let's. Understand? He dash read the book. He. So, he has not read the books. So, what will be the short form of has not? Hasn't. He hasn't. Understand? Next is she dash at home when I called up. She was not at home when I called up. So what will be the short form of was not? Wasn't. Now we have done exercise B of page number 96 and 8 to 12 numbers on the page number 97. Next exercise is identify the contraction, insert an apostrophe in the correct place. Means you have given some sentences, you have to identify the which are the contraction has been given you in the sentence. You have to just observe and put apostrophe between the some letters. So it is also for your homework. So in this lesson you have to do 3 exercise for homework. Exercise on the page number 95 is matching exercise, and then next page 96 page number exercise A is also for your homework, and page number 97 exercise C, it is also for your homework. I hope you will understand this textbook exercise properly and do your homework properly in the textbook. Thank you. Have a great day.